1, 2, 3, let's switch this up.
Hey Tree Beauty fam, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I got this like black cherry hair color, and right now I'm showing you how the color shifts. So in certain lights it will look more red, in certain lights it'll look black. So I'm just showing you the color change. In more red light you can see the red even more, which I love. But yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with this crimson hair dye from Adore. I only used one bottle, and first I just started squeezing the color out on dry hair. But then my sister told me to wet it a little bit and then do the color, so that the color, like, I used less dye that way. Okay, so this is the hair after 2 hours of leaving the hair dye in. I have not washed the hair dye out yet, but you can see the red color, and it was so pretty. And yeah, so now we're just gonna wash out that color. Okay guys, so here I am just placing the wig on the wig head, and I'm gonna go ahead and start plucking the front of the wig. When my sister and I first got this wig, we did not pluck it or do anything to it, but I decided to go in and pluck a little bit. Okay, so here is the wig after I finished plucking it. I think I did a pretty good job of plucking. I'm still learning and still trying to, figure out how to do it. But I think I did pretty good. This is only my second time plucking a wig by myself. So I really like how it came out. Okay, so here I am installing the wig. I am installing it with Got2b spray. I wasn't going to be wearing it that long, and I think I was going to wash my hair, I think the next day, so yeah. This is me installing it, and yeah, you guys should just watch. This is like self-explanatory, so. Okay, so now I'm just showing you guys the color outside. You can't really see the red, like you kind of see it, but yeah, I was trying to show you guys the color outside. You see more of the black, but you do get like the tint of the red. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.